Hi, my name is Preston Kilzer and I'm the creator of Espressio. Espressio is a puzzle piece block-based calculator that basically will make your math homework and science homework way easier. So how did I end up making Espressio? One of the first steps when I was making Espressio was conceptually understanding how this was going to work. How was it going to be user-friendly and how was it going to do the math on the backside? In order to do the math, I ended up using a Python library called simpy. It takes strings or a JSON file of various mathematical expressions and can solve just about anything. It's slightly less powerful than something like Mathematica, but it's Python, so it's free and I can call it inside of executable files. The other side of it was then what we call Godot. Godot is a game engine that's used to make all sorts of different video games, whether that's 2D or 3D. It's got tools that help make things user simple. I'm pretty good at code, I'm not amazing, but I definitely used some artificial intelligence in the code writing side of things in order to make sure that there are all sorts of different features, which I would not have been able to do as a single creator, just me. So how do Godot and simpy talk to each other? Godot will take your various expressions as a string or whatever you can type into the various puzzle piece boxes. This is one of the nice things about having each puzzle piece box have your own text inside of it. While that's slightly less intuitive for making math equations, it means that you can quickly go in and click ×3 or +1 or +a. Anything that you want to do symbolically can quickly be typed into your expression. Strings are then sent back to simpy, and simpy is able to then take those strings specifically and turn them into mathematical expressions. If you want to simplify, if you want to solve for a system of equations, if you want to differentiate or integrate, all of that happens within Python. For the downloadable version, the one in the link in the description, it's done not through explicitly Python, but Python turned into an executable file. So if you use PyInstaller, you can turn it into an executable that can be run on any software. That way, you don't have to have Python installed on your machine in order to make it work. From there, after the math is run, it's sent back to Godot so that it displays to you exactly what the answer to your math equation is. But I said that all of the math was done in strings, and that's true. So how in the world does it show, in render mode, these nice looking pretty equations? In that case, there is another Python script that takes your strings and turns them into LaTeX. LaTeX is a language that describes how to show whatever your math is. Inside of Python, that LaTeX can be turned into the visually pleasing side of those equations and then taken and turned into PNG images, and little images are actually put inside of Godot, ready for you to see the pretty equation. So there we go. One of the nice things about this being in early access is that I'm actually making this free to use for right now. If you want to, I would love it if you would go down, download it. You don't have to donate, it's totally free. Then provide some feedback, whether in the comments of this video or on my itch.io page. I would love to know how I can improve and make this app better for other people. The goal is eventually to be able to sell this app, so if you download it now, then when I make it cost something, you'll have the free version, and you'll have the app for free. I'm not planning on making people rebuy the app over time or have any subscriptions or anything, so you can actually get it for free right now and then have it for free later. So if you want, I would love it if you gave it a shot and gave me some feedback. Thanks, guys.